Kami kurang konsen, masakin salmon buat Sarah.
Burnt.
Gosong.
But I really like the burnt one. It's my
Yeah,
favorite.
but burnt food is not good for you. It's actually
I don't
quite
care.
toxic for
I
you.
don't care. I don't.
Jadi yang gosong-gosongnya tadi diangkat, tapi rasanya how? Good?
Amazing.
Amazing. Terus dia makannya sama raw ketimun and raw carrots. Yum yum. High five. Kau dilapar tuh. Ini mainan barunya Sarah dikasih sama Mama. Thank you Mama.
Wow.
Kids,
Yeah.
look at this. Look, say thank you Mama.
Thank you.
Tiba-tiba tergoda. This is the best burger sliders in the world. EJ's.
Okay.
It's still hot. Okay, go wash your hands first. Now.
No, not yet. Please, I promise. 5 more minutes.
You promise? Pinky promise? Where's the pinky promise?
No.
I know, I don't take it if it's not pink.